And as you can see, it snowed yesterday in Liberty City, but they cleared off the walkway for us in the police department. So we're not slipping and sliding once we came out. It looks a little cloudy outside. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But since it snowed last night, we're gonna be taking the pickup truck, police truck, out on patrol today, so we have a little more traction on the snow, just in case we have to chase somebody, so we're not slipping and sliding all over the place. So let's get on patrol. Okay, we're gonna pull over this blue Chrysler 300 right here. It has a dent in the back of his car, and he's riding around. So we're gonna pull him over, see why he's driving around with his dent in the back of his car. Dispatch, this is Unit 117. I have a 1011 on a blue Chrysler.
Hey, come here. Can I shoot a load on those shit?
Sir, I pulled you over because you have... He's running, people. He's running. Dispatch, I have a 1057 Victor, blue Chrysler, West Sacramento Avenue, West Bridge Street. Can I get additional units to back me up? I need additional units to back me up. We're now on West Owl Creek Street. Can I get additional units to back me up, please? Oh man, he just hit somebody. Pedestrian down, pedestrian down. We're gonna need EMS at our location. EMS at our location. Pedestrian down. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way.
When we get back to the station, I'm gonna beat you with a phone book.
Dispatch, this is Unit 117. Situations code 4, suspects are apprehended. Okay, I'm gonna tow this Chrysler so it's not in the way, in the middle of the street. Okay, let's get back on patrol. That's crazy. We just started our patrol day. Just starting out the patrol day, just pulling out the police station, and we already got a chase. I didn't think today was going to be that bad since it snowed last night. I thought it was going to be a low crime day, but it already starts off with a chase. Craziness, I tell you. We haven't had the snow plow come through here yet, so it's a little slippery around these areas for cars that don't have a lot of traction. Like I say, it's looking a little cloudy out here. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but this city always has crazy weather, so. You never know around here, never know. Look at that, people. It started to rain in Liberty City. I thought it was going to rain. It was looking a little cloudy. Just a little cloudy, and it's raining outside now, so this makes conditions even worse, but it's looking like a slow patrol day besides that high-speed chase with the blue Chrysler. Just a little slippery outside, just a little bit. Let's pass this guy. Let's pass that light too.
You'll never touch my ass, fuckhead. Go, people!
Okay, it looks like we have a call of domestic violence on West Dyke. I'm going to take that call. Dispatch Unit 117, show me en route to a domestic violence call on West Dyke. No additional units needed. Let's go see what this domestic dispute is about. That guy looks like he's beating up that girl. Stop, put your hands up. Put your hands up.
You having fun in Liberty
Not
City,
you.
huh?
You put your hands up. It looked like he was just punching that girl in the face. Domestic violence is crazy around this city. Put your hands up, man. Dispatch Unit 117, situation is code 4 on a domestic violence call. I've apprehended the suspect. Additional units are coming to pick him up. Show me 10-8. Oh man, let's hit that pole. The city's gonna have to pay for that one. It's a little windy outside too. So that makes conditions even worse. It's raining, windy outside. People should be inside, but yet people are still walking outside. Crazy. Get inside, people. Get inside. Shots fired, shots fired. I repeat, shots fired. It's that shots fired. East Burgess Street, shots are fired. Additional units are here. It looks like the suspect that was firing shots is down. Okay, we're going to be reporting to a male armed with an Uzi. Officer involved shooting, so we're gonna go assist the other officers. I hear the shots. Shots fired, shots fired. I see him. White male. Black jacket, white shirt. Let's pull the truck up so we can block the bullets. Trying to hit this other officer. Dispatch, shots fired. Can we get additional units to back us up? We need additional units to back us up.
I have a very short fuse.
Let's go in, let's go in. I was hit. Dispatch, this is Unit 117. Suspect is down. I repeat, suspect is down. We're gonna need EMS out of location. I have picked up the evidence, the Uzi. Suspect looks like he is dead. Looks like the other officer is going to be all right. And that's good. Good thing the other officer is all right. Oh man, it started thunderstorming now. It's raining harder. Lightning's going on. It's crazy out here, man. Crazy. These people on a motorcycle. Okay, we're going to a call of numerous armed suspects. Oh man, watch out, lady. Sorry about that, lady. Sorry about that. Dispatch, I need additional units to help back me up. one victim that's down. One victim that's down. White male. Go ahead. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. I need help. I need backup. I was shot. I'm shot. I'm shot. Back up. Back up. Back up. I need backup. I'm shot again. I'm shot. Can I get back up? Shot. I'm shot. Help me. Help.